आता चलया फुडें
या
या नो ओके एपिसोडान फुडें I was lost. Okay, there are writing pads kept over here. Okay, you need to pick it up. Take, this is for Sonia, for you, this is for Lori. Okay, so now आता किस जातेला जाण तूं, this is the do and die situation.
हो
Okay,
ओके
एकमेका तुम्ही जायती वर्सां पळयल्या.
हय
So now you all need to sketch both of you all. तुई तेका sketch करपाचो, तुई तेका sketch करपाचो.
पण म्हाका कोण कुड्ड पासून स्केच करतलो मगो
नाही, sketch करपा technique आहा. There's a
Okay.
technique.
Okay.
You all need to lift your head up like this.
ओके
आणि मागीर sketch करीत राहा. एक पाट जाल न्हू,
हय.
तुमी सांगा म्हाका stop.
हा
Okay?
So I
Otherwise,
cannot
हांव
look
तुमकां
at-
अमकें
so-
second, don't look at each other.
Ah,
Look
okay.
up and draw your sketch. Okay?
वयर पळोवन?
वय. ओकला काडल्या जाता.
ना
तुका त्रास
ना
जावपा
ना
ना?
ना त्रास जायना वयर पयल्या ओकलान कितें काडून जाय
Okay. So ready? No, take it in your hand. You can, yeah, it's just random. Let me see. Like drawing again, I
All the
participate.
best,
Kela.
Ladi.
What, Sonia?
Okay? Done? All the best. Start. I'll tell you when to stop. Huh? Drawing up first prize. We all the camera.
Very bad in drawing.
Lori, doye hui काटल तू.
त्याच वेळ हांव ना खंय काडले जाले माझे
सोनिया बाय.
No, I'm still drawing.
Lori झाले?
सोनिया स्टील म्हळ्यार केंस सुकयता माझे
ते सारखे ड्रॉ करतले तुका. Okay, show me. Flash it to the camera. Let people see. म्हाका दाखय पहिले. म्हाका पोवपा जाय.
Wow, that's not bad, huh? Sorry, mine is not so good. Mine's not so good. That is supposed to be his dimple. It should have come here.
Ah, dimple is there.
दिस इज सोनिया सारखे काडूंक ना
सारखे काढला केस सारखे काढला ते
हा,
त्यान
तो
डिंपल बरो काढला
Can't chance na kadpagu.